Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Honeywell portable air conditioner suddenly stops cooling or shows a warning indicator, chances are the internal water tank has reached its limit. These units pull moisture from the air while running, and that moisture collects inside the system during operation. Once it fills up, the unit automatically pauses to prevent overflow, which can catch you off guard if you're not expecting it. Many people aren't sure where the drain is located or how to empty it without spilling water everywhere. The good part is that draining the unit is quick and straightforward once you know exactly where to look and how to handle it properly. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact process to safely drain and empty water from your Honeywell portable air conditioner, and try these. Step 1. Turn off the unit and unplug it from the power outlet. Step 2. Place a shallow container or tray under the lower drain port. Step 3. Locate the drain cap at the back near the bottom of the unit. Step 4. Remove the drain cap slowly to allow water to flow out. Step 5. Let all the collected water drain completely from the tank. Step 6. Secure the drain cap back in place and restart the unit.